G'day. Got a target here with 7,000. A few nice bits today. Oh, and yesterday. There's 2 bits of lead in there. I'll get rid of them. Make it looks not so bad and not so good. They're alright. Nice bits in there. Maybe a couple grammars. Old ground, been over the 6, and these are all a lot deeper. So you've got a target here. We'll have a listen to this. Turn that down a smidge. Sounds good. Beautiful. Hasn't really livened up yet. Sorry about the audio. It's the wireless mic, wireless module. Still down. Turn that down. Beautiful. Moon's out. Been out for the last few nights, or a couple, and I detected all night last night. Got back camp at 6 o'clock. It's quite nice out here now. Look at that. It's a bloody arcade game. It's good. Hope you can see this. Out. Oh, real funny, that audio. That's crazy sound. I'll try and get that. Oh, there it is. You ever heard anything like that? Not me. Bit of wire or something, is it? Oh, I dropped it. Oh, there it is. Hey, little. I did see it. Yeah. What the hell? Funny sound. Not a great deal, eh? What it was. What is there? Just a little bit? Surely. Could be another one there. All that for that. Crazy. There you go. Bloody oath. All right. Catch you later.